What's the meaning of composite sketch? Composite sketch. Composite sketch.
Composite sketch. Composite sketch. A composite sketch is a drawing of a person's face made by combining various facial features typically described by eyewitnesses. This type of sketch is commonly used by law enforcement agencies to help identify suspects in criminal investigations. The resulting image is often a rough approximation of the suspect's appearance and may not be an exact likeness. However, composite sketches can be helpful in generating leads and narrowing down potential suspects, especially when combined with other investigative techniques such as DNA analysis or surveillance footage.